As a gay Igbo man who is visible, who is not denying who I am, who is juicy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, who did not create himself, who did not choose to be gay, who was born this way, who came out of his mother's womb, a flamboyant, classy, sophisticated, polished individual that was raised well by a wonderful woman. I am not a disgrace to my family. I am proud of who I am. I am a whole human being living my life, trying to navigate this world like every other person. What is so shocking to me is a lot of the people who claim to be extremely religious people who are close to God, who have decided that it is okay for them to commit the sin that they claim gay people are, that LGBTQIA plus individuals are. I wonder who the sinner is. If you are someone who is constantly condemning LGBTQIA plus individuals, I wonder who the sinner is. As someone who used to be a Christian, who was told that God is love, come one, come all, you are allowed to be in the church, that everybody is welcome. I don't see that from a lot of you. I have experienced a lot of homophobia on these social media streets, and it's always horrible. But what is shocking to me is the number of times people have said to me that they are going to kill me. And one of them that happened recently was someone who came on one of my live streams. I sure do understand that this person has never left Nigeria and has never lived in the UK. This person claimed that they live in Manchester. I said to them, where in Manchester do you live? And this person was like, I'm going to come with my gang. We're going to do this to you. We're going to do that and do that. We're going to unalive you. If you know how the law works and you live in the UK, you will not say something like this. This is just an example. A lot of these people continue to wish gay people death. Why are you so angry? Are you angry because of you were told not to live your life? And people who are okay with themselves, who do not see themselves as sinners, are living their life unapologetically and are free. Is that what the problem is? I always know men that are DL who are secretly homosexuals who are struggling when they speak to me, because the things you say to me tells me where your head is at. LGBTQIA plus individuals are not your problem. They are not the reason why your countries are the way they are. If you are a gay person and you are suffering internally, speak to someone who can help you. I do understand that it is a struggle, but coming on this social media, writing nonsense and saying to people that you are going to attack them, kill them, is wild to me. LGBTQIA plus individuals did not do anything to you. We are trying to live our lives like every other person on this earth. Have a wonderful time.